Hi, my name is Eva. I'm a freelance translator and localization manager in the localization industry, and I'd rate Phrase 5 out of 5. So with the company I work for, we use Phrase to localize the whole user account. The user account is made up of translation keys, and it's an SaaS. So Phrase really helps us to dynamically localize all of those translation keys. And it's specifically useful for us because we can comment and collaborate on different keys together. In my day-to-day, I use Phrase as a reviewer, so I collaborate with translators and we can go back and forth on different translations, which is very useful for us. What I really like about Phrase is the comment section. I think in my company we use it a lot. We go back and forth on different translation keys. I also like the in-context editor, where you can really see where the key is located in the product, which helps to avoid unnecessary context questions. It's also interesting that you can upload screenshots and really mark where the translation key is situated or located on this screenshot. This also really helps us to only answer a context question once. So if, for example, the German translator already asked the question and I uploaded the screenshot, then the French translator won't need to ask the same question again, which is very helpful. Okay, there's just some tiny little things I don't like. Sometimes the in-context editor does not work for me. I don't know if it's my fault or if it's a general problem with our product, how it's integrated into Phrase, I don't know. The second thing is sometimes if you're not familiar with the interface, you don't see that there's like a one other button where you can switch between plural and singular on a specific key. So it needs some training, but not a lot. And the third thing I would say is the glossary. I would like to have a glossary where I can see, for example, the English, the French, the German, the Danish all next to each other, instead of having to click into the English word and then seeing the different localized versions of the word. I think the current interface of the glossary is not very interesting to me because I cannot Control F to find a specific word in German, for example. I can only search for the English word, which is not so useful for me. So we often use the Excel version that we downloaded for the glossary, but this is only the only thing I would say that is not super well done in Phrase.